Hey guys, so today I'm taking you guys on a journey with me on my healing journey. I'm super excited for this journey. Please excuse my face. I've been going through it, y'all. I've been going through it. So today I got my bike right here. I'm going to be adding a little seat on the front of my bike, and I'm also going to be adding a trailer on the back of my bike because I am going to be riding a bike this summer, and probably a little longer than that as well. I'm going to be traveling with my kids on a bike because right now we do not have a car. I'm going to use this to basically for weight loss. I'm also going to be using this for transportation, and I'm also going to be using this to show everybody that mama does this. Okay, so I have a baby bike seat thing, and I'm going to put it together for y'all. All right, so this is the pieces that I'm going to be. Thank you, Coach. My son is not letting me be great right now. So we have two pieces. We have this is for my son's feet, and then this is gonna be the seat part. And you guys see, I got me a hefty bike. I got me a lot of stuff. I'm gonna show you everything I got. Now, what was in this box? I got this from Amazon. I'm gonna put the listing. That's it. I also got me a electric tire inflator. I got this one. As you guys can see right here, it's used for bikes. So I'm going to be using this one as well. This is my bike. I'm also going to show you guys a picture right here of my trailer. Please excuse, mama be having a lot going on, okay? I got 3 kids, y'all. Y'all got to work with me, bear with me, okay, on this journey because this is a journey, okay? So yes, let's get into it. So these are the instructions. Excuse me, these are the instructions. I don't know. I guess. Let me see. I'm guessing, let me just say, yeah, I guess it is these little ones. Yep. Hold on a minute. Hold on. Okay, so you're gonna have to take these 2 together, and you're gonna have to put. Now I'm not no handyman now, so don't be expecting me to know what I'm doing. Please don't. What is that? We got a little piece that's not letting the little piece go. It's in the way. I'm gonna fix that. My son is trying his hardest to get up on his bike, man. They didn't even make this right. Just get up in there. I don't know. It's bending as I put it in there, but this thing was poorly made. You guys can't really see what I'm doing, but y'all can imagine. Okay. We got the first little, whatever this is called up in there. And then you're going to want to screw this little thingy-majigger on there. Okay. Hello, don't do that. No. Okay, so I got step 1 completed. Okay. Now step 2 is adding the handlebar things, which my son broke both of them on the thing. So I'm unscrewing the bolts that are already on the thing. I'm going to unscrew them off. You're going to unscrew these and you're going to place them inside. Oopsies. Like so. Then you're going to add the bolts. I'm going to take this thing Okay, so the next part is to add the seats. Y'all are on the seat. So we got to move positions again. So yeah. Okay, so this is a seat. And I'm just going to put this here. Here. And what I'm gonna do is I am going to unscrew these bolts that are already on this seat. And then I'm gonna do one with you guys screwing it on. I mean, you kind of getting the gist. It's just putting it together, screwing it, and doing it. You know, like what else is there to zip? You know, what else? Let me make sure I put it on right too, because let me see. A little. Okay, this way. This way. I think so. Can you stop, booty? We gotta get them all lined up. Ooh, okay, perfect. And I'm gonna lay it down. I'm gonna put it so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, like that. Stop, Cody. Then I'm going to put Cody there, like this.
Okay.
The seat is on. Yay! Now it's time to add the little things that go right here to attach to the bike. So, yeah, where are those? This goes here. Okay. That goes there. And then you're going to take this and you're gonna tighten these up. All right, so now I'm going to attach it to the bike. So like this. I'm gonna do one side with you guys.